Not enough people know about dementia and talk about dementia, and there are people suffering in silence, particularly the carers of people with dementia. I've just looked around and it's absolutely beautiful, and you can see what they're trying to do. They're trying to have colour, they're trying to have a little bit of water, very importantly good solid seats where people can sit and enjoy the garden.
The garden is for woodies. It's to mark the 30th anniversary of the opening of their first store in Ireland. It's a little snapshot of where we were at the time as a nation, that everyone really focused in on this. Grottos all over the country were swarmed with people. People were reporting movements. Contrast that with now, the referendum passing last week, and a couple of years ago the marriage equality referendum passing. That's only a 30-year period. It's a huge journey. We tell the story photographically, like I described, and also horticulturally. So we have the planting zones separated into 3 areas. We've past, we've present, and we have future.
The garden title is Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again, based on the first Mamma Mia movie. But the main inspiration came from the main character, Donna, who changed her own life and stayed in Greece, where she spent a holiday there and fallen in love with the Greek landscape, the life there.
We have a new park up in Fernhill in Stepaside, and we decided that together we would put that together and try and encapsulate it here in Balloon in a smaller area.
We have fantastic full-height photographs of Fernhill, and we also have full-height mirrors on the back. So we were trying to get this idea across that you were to root the show garden in Fernhill, but you get these incredible reflections of the photographs and the real-life planting, and there's a kind of ambiguity to the space. You're not really sure where it stops, where the confines of the show garden stop.
Basically, it's a representation of 4 different countries, and 3 of the 4 Trócaire works in to help people, environmental offenders and human rights offenders. On the outside of the garden we have an Irish representation as well of a meadow, which sort of embraces the whole garden. In reality, every single part of the garden symbolises something, all the way from the art on the walls, which is Gloriosa and the Zimbabwean hut, to the olive tree that's in the Palestinian section, to the clover, which is part of Ireland as well. It's our national flower.
This is a garden designed for a goal, and it's about the rights of women in the developing world, the inequalities that exist for them. The garden is designed to show a journey from arid to lush and tropical by the planting and this arrangement. And the poles behind me represent women, strong, powerful women who are dealing with burdens in life and the loads on their heads.